Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find sent follow requests on Instagram in 2025. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So for that, we're going to have to go to our profile on the bottom right, and then from here you're going to go to the settings for the top right where you see the three dots. Once you do that, you're going to click on Account Center, and then from here you're going to scroll down until you see your information and permissions. Then you're going to click on Export Your Information. Now, once you do that, it's going to redirect to a new website. And so from here, this is a request that I've done before. So I'm going to show you how to create it. So you're going to click on Create Export. So from here, going to go like that and then export. And then once it loads, it's going to show you this page where it has all the information. So you're going to click on Customize Information. And then from here, you have all the options for you to get from. So you're going to just unclick for some contacts until you have followers and following, and then from here just uncheck everything else because that's the only two things that you would like from the HTML. Once that is done, you have it, click on save, and then make sure that the format is set to HTML, and then from here you're going to click on the date range to see for how long, so for the last 3 years, last year, 6 months, whatever you want. And then finally just click on Start Export. Now it's going to prepare everything to export. Once you click on it, there's going to be a section that is said the send follow requests, and from that you're going to find whatever you need. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.